So, what is stress? Well, according to the dictionary, there are a number of different definitions, but when it comes to physiology, stress is defined as a specific response by the body to a stimulus, as fear or pain, that disturbs or interferes with the normal physiological equilibrium of an organism. Now, what does that mean in plain English? Well, basically, it means dealing with the fight or flight mechanism that's hardwired into our brains. And suppressing this leads to stress. And all this harks back to your inner caveman or inner cave woman because this sort of thing developed way back in human evolution. And if you think about it, if you were around, 4 or 5 thousand years ago, and you happen to stumble across a woolly mammoth or a saber-toothed tiger or whatever it is that this guy is attacking in this picture here, then you're going to want to do one of two things. You're either going to want to fight it and kill it and eat it, or you're going to run like blazes to get away from it before it catches and kills and probably eats you. And so this is how this sort of thing developed in human beings. Well, of course, nowadays you're not likely to come across a woolly mammoth or a saber-toothed tiger that's going to try and kill and eat you. But, there are other situations today that will trigger this response. For example, you might have a demanding boss, or you might have to deal with an angry customer, and you suppress that fight or flight response because you need to talk to this person or calm them down or whatever, and that of course can lead to stress.